Hi, it's Kate. Welcome. Today I will be making some lovely jelly prints with wall embossing stamps and stencils. It will be super easy jelly printing at small plate. I have here plate 15 by 15 centimeters, so it's 6 by 6 inch. I will be using Deco Art and PBO acrylics, and it will be super easy jelly printing. So now I'm using to make some texture bubble wrap. It's beautiful. Now I will give here mask. This is by wall embossing, and look how awesome print we will have. For jelly printing, it's great to have colors like this. They are liquid, great. For jelly printing, it's not super to use super cheap colors. Do not use them. Look at this. This is just beautiful. Today I will make just some jelly prints, but next time I will use those jelly prints with in some project. If you don't want to have stained mask, just clean it with baby wipe. Super simple. I will add here this, and I will use some purple with blue. It's really easy and it's fun. If you are not patient to wait till your acrylic is dry, if you are making jelly printing with many layers, use wall embossing heat tool for this. And there is settings number 1, and it's for drying, and it's super for jelly printing. So I will be doing some background with this stamp. It's by wall embossing. Just push and stamp just here and there. I'm trying not to move too much at the plate. Look at these lovely prints. I'm using my jelly plate like stamping pad, but I'm stamping with acrylics. This paper I also can use in any project. So here and there. If I don't have time to clean my stamp, I will put it onto wet baby wipe, and it stays wet and it's not drying. The acrylic color at the stamp, it's not drying. So let's see what we have. Some interesting prints. Beautiful. I will set it aside. I'm throwing usually my prints to the floor where they wait for drying. So now let's make some mixture. I have here this quadricolor gold. It's almost empty, and raw umber. I really need to go shopping and buy new colors. This I will set aside because I want to use it. And again, I will be making some nice print. It's really up to you what colors to use, how much color you need, you want for your printing. Now I will be using this background stamp, this one, and it's so cool for jelly printing. Just push, and here I have my paper, so let's stamp it here. Push, do not move with it, and stamp, and push, stamp and push and stamp. Now I want to give there another layer, so I have time to clean my stamp. At these big background stamps, it's better to clean them immediately. As the small one, it's not so necessary, but the big ones, it's better to clean immediately. Now I will show you setting number 1, and let's speed up drying process of this. Be careful not to use setting 2, because jelly plate and heat don't go together. It's only for cold, not for heat. So let's pick up this layer. My deco art paints are quite old, so not in super condition, but still we can have beautiful print. This is cool. Look at this. Isn't this awesome? So I will make like tons of prints. I will take a photo of them. You can find them at the end of the video. And the next time I will create something from those prints. So thank you for your time. Have a nice day, and try jelly printing with wall embossing stencils and stamps. It's really fun, and it's super easy, and it's relaxed. Have a nice day.